everyone, in this video we will see that how to manage leaves and requesting for leaves in OpenEduCat. First of all, you can log into the system with your username and your password. Then you can go to login. In terms of leaves application, you can go to your menu, click on your leaves application just down to this page. Then you can go to configuration in here when you're at leaves application. So click on leave types. You can see multiple leave types are available on this page. So you can see legal leaves, parental leaves, paid time off, overtime compensation, and there are others like compensatory days, unpaid sick leaves also. So if I go to compensatory days, I can add it if you would like to add it, any information to this leave type. So compensatory days are the leave type name. Either it is unpaid or paid. Take leaves in either you can select in days or hours. Allocation mode, so you have fixed by HR plus allocation request, or you can select no allocation also. Just on the same page, you can go to your validation. You can apply double validation, select that. If you would like not to go to that option, you can not select it. Down there you go to your validity start date and end date also, and you can save. So that's all been done for you in terms of managing your leave types. If you want to request for the leave in OpenEduCat, you can go to My Leaves, you can make new request. Now you have your calendar view in the dashboard there at the moment. So if you want to go to this particular day, if you want to request for the sick leave, you can double check on the duration, 1 day, from date to date, and description. And you can save your leave request. Now if you go to My Leaves, you can go to your leave request. Now you can see your sick leave has been updated in this page, and you can log in as an admin, or you can go ahead and log in with your manager login, and you can approve this sick leave. So that sick leave has been approved for you. So if you go to your leaves request, you can see your sick leave has been approved in the system. This is how you can manage leaves and requesting for leaves at OpenEduCat. Thank you for your time.